Hi everyone, this is Lottie Ann Silvis. Welcome again to another YouTube channel. I'm actually going to share with you guys three channels that you will find me. If you want to get to know who I am, go ahead. If you like my channel, please leave a comment. Please like. And if you're interested in seeing more videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Guys, this is one of my channels. It's my business channel, and I go by the name Coach Lottie Ann, online Coach Lottie Ann. So here you're gonna find videos. I actually have over 80 videos, but I don't know why they don't put the maximum amount, but I have like 90 videos in this channel. And what you're going to learn in this channel, these are the successful people that my mentors, Wesley and Ariella. Get to know who they are with the done for you services. Guys, click on it, learn from them, because you will become successful and you will make money with them. I'm actually making money with them because I decided to change my lifestyle, and I'm going to be one day financially free just like them. And they actually teach you how to do that. But it's not about making money, guys. It's about the mindset, and it's about the way you think is going to change you, okay? And it's going to change your belief. It's going to change and increase your faith. So you need to listen to what they say, and you will become that. All right, a lot of people don't want to humble themselves. They want to earn money their own way, but it's very hard to make money on your own. You got to have people to help you, and these are people just like you and I. They started with nothing. They were broke, and they had a breakthrough in their life, and now that they have their breakthrough, they want to touch you, and they want to help you get that breakthrough. So my breakthrough is very near and very soon, because my vision is to be already financially free and to retire as soon as possible. Okay, guys, I have other videos here if you want to check out my how I make money. I have marketing systems. I have fresh leads, opportunity leads. If you need more leads, I have ways how you can get free leads for your business. And I also have meditation and motivational videos if you ever get discouraged and you want to comfort yourself and to help you focus yourself again in line to your thoughts. Guys, it's all about being positive. You don't want to be around negative people. You don't want to be around people that are going to bring you down. You want to be around people that are successful and people that are going to bring you up, right? Okay, let me go to my next channel. All right, I'm going to click over there, and this is called Lottie Music. Okay, a lot of my family and friends on Facebook don't know where to find me. Well, guess what? I created this channel last week, and this is the channel that I'm going to promote my music ministry. And you're going to find it way in the bottom of the playlist right here, Lottie Music, okay, Lottie Ann Silvis. These are old videos of me, but I'm going to be actually creating current videos of my music, and you will absolutely enjoy it. A lot of the times, I actually have people on Facebook, whenever I post something or I play music, like my keyboard on Facebook. I mean, millions of people just, oh gosh, oh, this beautiful, or they react to it, and and I kind of like enjoy that, guys. I like that attention, but I actually enjoy what I love doing, and I love blessing people too. And people are blessed whenever I play my music. Um, so you will find me there, and I post a lot of the videos, meditation, and I love upbeat music. And I'm actually downloading animation music videos, and these are really cute, guys. You got to come by and stop by and take a look at these. Okay, these are cute. I'm actually gonna go into the archive where they have free things that you can download, and you can actually download and on your YouTube channel. Uh, and that's what I'm doing right now. And let's see, my other channel, this is my channel I had for years. It's just my name, Lottie Ann Silvis. This is my old channel. I think I had 40 videos, but I uploaded 5 yesterday, and look at this. I've got I gained 551 views already. I can't believe it. But I never took out or deleted any of my videos. I just separated them. So I have testimony of my weight loss. I have testimony of my family and my crafts. I just separated everything, and I had only one playlist with one music, but I added this one. These are my mentors that I working with, and absolutely love them too. I love being a part of the Done For You services. Guys, you need to take a look at this. If you're really serious about changing your life and you want to quit your job, you hate your 9 to 5 job, these guys are going to give you that breakthrough. They have already created other people. They have created millionaires. All right, I am going to have that breakthrough too. But they say to take your time. It takes a while, because what really has to happen is your mindset. Everything has to change in your mind, in the way you think, in the way you think about money, in the way you think about your thoughts. That's where the goal comes into the meditation. Wesley has a wonderful course with the Overnight Millionaire course. Guys, I got that course, and it is a life-changing. It's doing a lot in my life. Really, it's really, really opening up my eyes to see what I need to say, how to confess, how to believe, and it's the positive. Always staying with the positive, guys. Do away with the negative people in your life. Stay with positive things. Keep your mind in a positive state of meditation, and you know what? Wealth is going to come. Everything is going to come, whatever you want. That's when you are ready. And the only time that you're ready is how you trained in your subconscious way of the way you think. All right, guys. Okay, I think that's enough. As Coach Lottie Ann, I just love to talk. But these are the 3 channels. Come on over, guys. Check it out. All right, it's Lottie Ann Silvis, or online Coach Lottie Ann, or Lottie Music. Okay, those are the 3 channels I want you guys to visit. I want you guys to come and like and comment and subscribe. All right, if you love my channel, please subscribe. All right, if you don't like it, you don't have to subscribe, but please like or please leave a comment. Okay. All right, guys. God bless you. Talk to you soon, and have a wonderful day. Let's go.